Today, we will be doing an Instawrapper review and demo walkthrough. With Instawrapper, you can make up to 500% more sales from your old videos by applying a magic fix known only to top marketers and influencers. Instawrapper is suitable for content creators, freelancers, digital marketers, bloggers, business owners, and many more. Before we get started with the Instawrapper review, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the Instawrapper review and demo walkthrough.
Hey guys, right now I'm going to demo a powerful new tool called Instawrapper that is stupid simple to use. I'm inside the Instawrapper dashboard and you're going to be blown away by how simple this is. I'm going to go here and I can drag and drop, paste, or browse my drive for a file. I've already selected a file, so I'm just going to right click and then click on paste. Now that the file is loading, the best optimization is to have a video of about 300 megabytes. You don't want to subtitle a big movie, guys. You have Netflix for that. Okay, so the video is now processing. Next, inside my dashboard, I'm going to click right here on Create Wrapper. Now, you can choose from one of our custom templates, or you can start with a blank template. Let's start with a template. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is edit my text. I'm just going to put, watch this. Now you see how this stands out, right? You can't miss this, guys. Next, we're going to get our captions. So I'm going to go over here on the left, click the scroll bar and scroll down. See where it says captions? So we're going to click on that and we're going to load our captions from the video we just transcribed. Don't worry, with Instawrapper, it's transcribed at no extra cost for you. So I just click on upload SRT script. Boom guys, it's done. You see how freaking cool that is? Now, if any other video editor on the market that would take hours to do, plus the cost of getting it, the transcription done. With Instawrapper, it's all included. This is powerful. Now, let's add a progress bar. Click on bars now. Let's pick one. This one looks good, right? I simply drag it from here and I'm going to drop it right there. Next, I just go to the timeline editor and make the adjustment. Check that out. That's done. That's easy, right? Now, let's go ahead and add a timer in the corner. Okay, so we drag and drop it and we adjust in the editor and boom. Or hey, do you want to add an image? No problem. Just drag and drop from an incredible image library or upload your own image. It's that easy, guys. We can also easily add shapes like hearts, boxes, or arrows, or we can have emojis. I'm going to add a mind-blown emoji here. Simple, right? Once we add everything we need, simply hit publish. Come over here and click on my videos and look at the beautiful video we just created, and it only took us 2 minutes. Seriously guys, this software is totally mind-blowing to create captivating videos with Instawrapper.
Thank you for watching this Instawrapper review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about Instawrapper, click the link in the description below.